I use the Simple Truth extra firm organic tofu. It's only 90 calories per serving, 4.5 servings per container, which I believe is under 500 calories for the whole square. And yes, I do eat the whole square, whole block. It's pretty simple ingredients: water, soybean, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, whatever that is. Contains soy. Whatever these are, they must be organic. Okay. And it's gluten-free, vegan. Gonna make a quick tofu scramble without oil. Very simple. And there it is. I just like to drain it because there's a lot of water. I have a tofu press, but when I scramble it, I like it moist. I like to break it up. You just kind of, pound it and break it up. Kind of like when you brown beef or something. And it kind of looks like egg whites, like scrambled egg whites. And this is probably feed 4 people, 2 to 4 people, between 1 and 4 people. I eat the whole thing. Sometimes when you're plant-based, you seek foods that are really nutrient dense, or dense foods that keep you full. This is a low calorie. I consider it low calorie per serving. 90 calories per serving. It's pretty low to me. And I'm going to add my seasonings to it, and it'll look just like scrambled eggs. Our ingredients. Okay, our ingredients. We got turmeric. This will give it the egg color. I just put a little bit, like a pinch, maybe between 1 and 3 pinches of that. And then we have the garlic powder, which is so necessary. I put garlic in almost everything. Very good anti-inflammatory. Garlic is good for the body. Naturally antimicrobial. And of course, Cajun seasoning. For people who love flavor, I went to New Orleans a few months ago, and I would tell you, Creole Cajun flavor is really good. And onion powder. This takes your scramble up a notch. And there you have it, a nice simple tofu scramble. This is on the lighter tasting side because it doesn't have oil in it. I wanted it to be low calorie. I do believe, because I've made this over the years, maybe like 7 or 8 years now, maybe 5. I haven't eaten it for a while though. But before, over the years, I've used oil, a lot of oil, and I like olive oil. It tastes very buttery with coconut oil. Coconut oil adds a very buttery taste. Or you can just use like canola or vegetable oil. But I do believe it tastes better with oil, but it'll be higher calorie with oil in it, because oil tends to be a high calorie food, the more you put in it. Okay, so now for the taste test. Alright, you see it looks just like eggs. It kind of tastes like boiled eggs. It's hot. I didn't put much salt in it. Whatever the Cajun season had in it, which is not that much. But you can put salt. If you want a little sodium, just leave it just like that. But you put salt and black pepper in it. That tastes really good. Put some, if you want some green, maybe put some dried parsley, fresh cilantro would be really good, and some fresh tomatoes. Next to some hash browns or some Beyond sausage. You'll have an excellent, oh, and of course, like some toast, some buttered toast with jam would be really good. But this is a low calorie option. Sometimes I'll eat it with, it's really hot. Sometimes I'll eat it with spinach. I'll put spinach in it. spinach is low calorie and has a lot of calcium. It's good for you. All right, a simple truth. Tofu, extra firm, from Kroger or wherever else they sell it. I've seen that. I've seen it at Brandon in another store before, but it's signatures to Kroger. I like Simple Truth's tofu because it usually has a fresh taste to it. It doesn't have like that stale flavor to it. Sometimes you get tofu that has a stale flavor taste to it. All right, have a good day.